Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be taking pictures with one of my best friends in the whole wide world. She wants to do photography and she asked me if I wanted to do a photo shoot today, and of course I was going to say yes. So today I wanted to do a makeup video for you for the photo shoot. I have been playing with the Jaclyn Hill palette, especially with the Bling Boss and Ring the Alarm. It's a lot of purples and reds, and I feel like this is like another fall makeup tutorial. I know that I did upload a fall makeup tutorial a few weeks ago, but it was just mostly oranges. But today I played with a lot of purples and reds, and I really liked how the outcome came out. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I knew that I wanted to do something with like fluttery lashes and make my brown eyes pop. This is perfect if you have hazel eyes or brown eyes. I'm sure it'll look beautiful on any eye color, but it's mostly gonna emphasize brown eyes and hazel eyes. And I am really loving my American Eagle shirt, and I am so excited for this photo shoot. It's gonna be at a pumpkin patch, and I don't think I've ever been to a pumpkin patch. I'm pretty sure I have, but it's been a very long time, and we're gonna take some photos, and I'm really excited. So I hope that you like this fall makeup tutorial. And yeah, if you want to know how I got this purpley fluttery lash look, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah! Bye guys.
Keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Keeps my little baby girl as in need. Got another mouth to feed. Leaving with the babysitter, mama call a grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Might have had your fill, I can feel it still. We could fight a war for peace. Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. It's time to give a little to the kids in the middle, but oh, until it falls, won't bother me. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. Yeah, your lover's an abyss for my heart to eclipse now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, I can feel it still. Might have had your fill, I can feel it still. There's a silence we hold between us, and I know it's because of me. And you echo with your indifference, but I think I know you better than that. I owe you apology, and I'm missing synchronicity. So if you can make peace with me, we can take it from there. 'Cause you're Cause the night it brought you to me, and the dawnlight is way pretty, and we try count the city stars just to realize how small we are. Do you know what you did to me as we walk down the steps to leave? Get your fingers try brush my sleeve, and I lose my breath instantly. Yes, yeah.
Rising like the smoke, you linger on me. You got me so high, I can finally breathe. You're walking poetry. It's what you do to me. It's what you do. Tell me. Touch me with no hands, hold me with your eyes. Unwind me with your mind tonight. Speak with no words, show me and I'm all yours. Show me and I'm all yours.
All that you are is all that I need. Rising like the smoke, you linger on me. All that you are is all that I need.
all that I need. Sunset in your eyes, let me with your loving. I'm searching for the thrill. It's you, you make me feel. You make me feel. Touch me with no hands, hold me with your eyes, unwind me with your mind tonight. Speak with no words, show me and I'm all yours. Show me and I'm all yours.
All that you are, all that I need. Eyes are like the smoke, you linger on me. All that you are, all that I need. Eyes are like the smoke, you linger on me. You got me so high, finally breathe, finally breathe, finally me. You got me so high, finally breathe, finally breathe, finally me.
And I'm all yours, and I'm all yours. Show me. I'm all yours, and I'm all yours.
Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be. Staring at the ceiling, fighting off the feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be. Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. Nothing on my life, maybe time to guess that we were different. Didn't break you down. Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to I used to be.